Can you see this lovely earring? So I want to explain how I'm able to achieve this earring. So you take your fishing line, you pick blue or any color you want, one sand bead, one crystal bead, one sand bead, one crystal bead, one sand bead, one crystal bead. I'll be using 3 for the necklace. I used 4, but now I want to use 3 for, I use 3 for this. So now you tie 2 to 3 times. Should not be too firm and should not be too loose. You tie 2 to 3 times. Then you now take your needle. You come out through the first sand bead. You come out. Then you now pick 7 sand bead. One. You pick any color you want. 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. After this is the 7th. Then you go through the next sand bead. You go through the next sand bead. You bring it out. You bring it out. Then you pick another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is another 7. You go through the sand bead again. You go through the sand bead. You come out. And you see. You pick another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you go through the last sand bead, which is this color. So this is how you achieve this design. Can you see? After coming out like this, you now take 3. You know, we use 7, you take 3. You pick 3 sand bead that is beside it. You come to the center, which is 4, the 4th one. Now you now pick any crystal bead, any color you want. I'm using this video to show us how to fix our hook to your earring, to the earring or to the necklace. So for it to be tighter, you have to pass through this place, this crystal bead. You pass through it, you go round. You have to go round. You have to go around it. Take it round. So this is it. So then we look for another color that you are going to pick. So let's pick this gold. 7 of it. 1, 2. So I want to introduce the hook now. Don't forget that here I took 7. This blue is 7, but I want to close it. I'll be closing it here, closing this space. I'll put my hook here. But this time around, I will not take 7. I'd rather take 3 sand bead or use 5 sand bead. Let me use 5 sand bead to introduce my hook. 1, I'm looking for green. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm taking 5. Then I'll go through the next sand bead. I'll go through the next sand bead. Then take 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm taking 5. Someone has broken. Looking for another one to pick. Okay, this one. Then go to the next one. Don't forget, I want to introduce the hook. Then I'm picking the last 5. You know, it's multicolor. You have to take time to check. 2, 3, 4. And take gold to mix it. 5. I'm using gold to mix it. I don't want this thing to be lengthy. So that is it. This is it. I'm closing it now. So I will bring everything together like this. Bring all the sand bead together. Bringing all the sand bead together. So you bring it together like this. See that you tie. or you continue, but let me tie. Let me tie it. You tie one more time. So if you not take your, don't forget, I use gold here. Let me try to look for the same gold to complement it. Okay, you put your gold. And I use size 1 red. Okay, this is size 1 red. Together with it. Then I take my hook. You see? Take the hook. And you now take the sand bead, turn it to the sand bead. This is how I fix the hook. So for it to be firm, you need to go into this sand bead. Go into the sand bead. Then go again one more time. You fix this place again. Then you now come back. This is how I feel. This is how it is. Let me see. It's all right. You can cut, or you pass your needle straight down. This is it. You now bring all the sand bead together the way I did the first one. This is how you do the closing. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, please feel free to drop your comments. So you tie, and this is it. So thank you for staying by. Thank you for watching to the end. Kindly subscribe to my channel. There's more to come. Thank you. See you on my next video. Love you.